Hi, this is Danny with Mavromatic.com, and today we're going to be reviewing the Lantronix UBOX 2100. What this little gadget allows you to do is connect any USB device to it and then connect to those USB devices directly through your local area network or the internet. Very, very powerful, and it works. The Lantronix UBOX series comes in two varieties, the 2100, which has 2 ports, or the 4100, which has 4 ports. Lantronix ships it with everything you need, which includes a quick start guide, some other reading literature, an AC adapter, software install, which basically all it is some guides and a USB device server, as well as the said device itself. Getting started is quite easy. All you do is you pop in your CD-ROM disk and install the software. In this case, I already have it installed, but it takes less than 30 seconds. Next step would be take the AC adapter, plug it in. You'll notice a few lights turn on. That just means the unit's booting up. The next thing is take your Ethernet cable, plug that into the device. A few more lights will turn on telling you that you've got link activity. After that, you're pretty much ready to go. Your software is running on your PC. It only works on a PC, so all you Mac users out there, you're going to have to wait for them to release a Mac version of it, or you're going to have to get a PC with Parallels or something like that to actually have this work. The next thing is take your USB device. In this case, I got a Mac Alley USB mouse. Plug that into port 1 of the UBOX 2100, and within milliseconds, it shows up as a Mac Alley USB scrolling mouse, and I can take the action to connect to it. And at that point, once you select Connect to Device, you'll hear a chime, which means that the device now is connected, and I can use the attached mouse as a native mouse to my laptop, which is connected via Wi-Fi inside my home. So the mouse, once again, is connected to the UBOX, and the UBOX is connected to a hub or a switch down in my control room, and then from there, it's being broadcasted via Wi-Fi. And it works great. You don't get any hiccups or anything like that. It feels like it's a native piece of hardware. The other thing you can do as well is take a USB memory stick. In this case, I've got a Memorex 1 gigabyte. You can plug that in as well, and it'll show up as a device, and you can take the action to connect to it, and then it shows up as a drive G on your local machine. Another great piece of hardware is a Fidget's RFID reader, which is USB connected. You can plug that into the UBOX 2100, and it shows up as a Fidget RFID. And if I connect to that, then I can use my little RFID tags and then have it turn on lights or music or whatnot. Great for the home automation scene, and where it's not practical to run 20 feet or more of USB cable, you can accomplish connectivity via a Category 5 cable. The unit retails for about $150. It can be had online from anywhere from $112 all the way up to $150. Very, very worth it for anyone that needs remote control of any USB device, or if you just want to be able to extend certain capabilities that otherwise would not exist. I'm Danny Mavromatic for Mavromatic, and if you have any comments or questions regarding the UBOX 2100, feel free to comment on the blog. Thanks.